There's linoleum. We got to get this up too.
Ready? Ooh. Ready? Okay, this is where it is right here. You see it? Ooh. Yay!
Oh.
And that's all there is to it. Not scary at all. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tools from Stacy DIY.